So today we're going to be talking about working at heights. That's a pretty big issue for us, is securing the ladder. These controls need to happen every time on site. So we're going to have the but don't do that. And yeah, fold the power on it or no power on it. We are looking at maybe getting some more extension ladders. So if you in a nutshell, if there's the last one I'm going to say, the next thing will be everything. Is it one of each? Just rack it all right.